If you use multiple Gmail accounts on your computer and want to sign out of just one account, or at least get back to using only the account you actually need, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. The process is simple, but the wording can be a little confusing, especially if you have several Google accounts signed in at the same time. So in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step in a clear and easy way. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me know to make more videos like this for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight to Gmail on your computer. Once the page loads, make sure you're looking at the account area in the top right corner of the screen. This is where your profile icon appears, and it shows which Google account is currently active. Now click on your profile icon. A small menu will pop up showing the accounts currently signed in on that browser. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, you'll probably see more than one listed here. At this point, look for the option that says sign out of all accounts and click it. Now, even though that sounds like it signs out everything, this is actually the step that takes you to the Google account selection page. This page is useful because it lets you choose which account you want to continue using. So after clicking sign out of all accounts, you'll be redirected to the account selection screen. On that screen, you'll see the Google accounts that were previously used on that browser. Now click the account you want to keep using. If the account is already saved, you may just need to select it from the list. If Google asks you to confirm or enter your password again, go ahead and sign in again to that one account. Once you complete that step, you'll be back in Gmail using only the account you chose. This is a very helpful way to clean up your browser session when you've got multiple Google accounts open and you want to focus on just one of them. If you're managing work and personal email or switching between different YouTube channels and Gmail addresses, this method can save you a lot of confusion. It makes it easier to stay organized and avoid sending messages from the wrong account. So to quickly recap, open Gmail, click your profile icon, choose sign out of all accounts, select the account you want to keep, and sign in again if needed. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.